Clogged drains can be fixed with chemical treatment, but they aren't always the best option for the environment. Keep watching for a solution. Today, let's talk about Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer, an environmentally friendly chemical designed to digest fats, oils, and greases. Let's start with the basics. What is Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer? Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer is a powerful combination of bacteria with over 757 billion colony-forming units, utilized to prevent backups and odors in drains, grease traps, and lift stations. This chemical contains one of the most effective combinations of degrading bacteria available. It doesn't emulsify fats, oils, and greases, but digests them to solve the problem early instead of carrying fogs to the local wastewater collection system. Studies by the Consumer Specialty Product Association reveal 50% reduction in soybean oil after a one-time dosage of Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer. With 50% FOG reduction in 72 hours, this product exceeds the effectiveness of similar products. Who is Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer a good fit for? Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer may be a good fit for customers who need a solution to their drain line problems, like backups and odors, and municipalities who welcome the products that help digest the fat, oil, and grease discharge from facilities. Most municipalities prefer Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer because it contains no emulsifying agents, opting instead to digest FOGs before it makes its way to city drain lines. Those who prefer an environmentally friendly drain maintainer will also be a good fit, as Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer has met all strict environmental, health, safety, and performance criteria required to the EcoLogo certified by Underwriters Laboratories. Who is Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer not a good fit for? Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer is a biological product, so for those with extremely heavy buildup, it may be a better fit to utilize a product with a combination of biological and degreasers. You can instead learn more about Primezyme that contains the degreaser surfactant. For those who aren't concerned with UL EcoLogo certified products, Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer may not be the best possible fit. When and why do I need Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer? It's always important to think preventatively with drain care, as problems can get very expensive, like dismantling an entire drain to clear a clog if you don't address them early. Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer will digest FOGs in your drain line and keep it free-flowing, allowing your staff to carry on with their jobs unimpeded and provide relief for municipality drain lines. How do I use Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer? This product is designed for use in the state 24/7 automated drain maintenance system. Using the pump, inject product directly into the floor drain, 3-sink drain line, grease trap, or lift station. Setup and amount can vary depending on what you're using the product on, and a free consultation with an experienced representative from State Chemical will yield the best application. How much does Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer cost? Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer costs can vary depending on a multitude of factors, including location, but it will most likely cost you this amount per scheduled dosage on the state 24/7 drain pump for typical commercial facilities. When considering cost of drain care chemicals, it's always important to weigh the cost against more extreme options if you let the problems worsen. How do I buy Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer? Purchasing Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer is simple. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. All drains are different, and the easiest way to find out if Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer will be the right choice for you will be a facility survey by an experienced representative to ensure that you get the right solution. For more information on how to keep your workplace clean, check out our Learning Center, and soon enough, you'll be flushing your cleanliness issues down the drain.